Welcome, my dear viewers, to a new episode of Busy Bee from Germany. Today I would like to present you the 5 most useful and easy things every doll lover should have at home for repairs. And believe me, these things are things everybody has at home. So here's my number 5. It's ISO. ISO is a kind of alcohol that you use for cleaning the dolls. You use Q-tips and ISO, and then you rub with the Q-tips over the body of the doll, and then you get off the dirt. That's my number 5. Now let's come to number 4. My number 4 is needle and thread, because you can restore hairstyles with needle and thread, and you can repair clothes, old doll clothes. That's very important in my opinion, to be able to repair the clothes. My number 3 is a comb. Sometimes you can also use a toothbrush for combing the doll's hair. That's my number 3, always very useful. My number 2 is rubber bands and hairpins, because you have to restyle some doll's hair. And what's easier than to use hairpins and rubber bands for that? Of course you need rubber bands of different sizes, not just the big ones like you see here, also smaller ones, but it's very helpful if you want to restore curls. And my number 1, which you have probably seen in most of my videos, like in the one how to detangle ankle long hair for Barbie, is my electronic kettle, because we always need hot water, and what's easier than to use an electronic kettle to do so? That's what I consider the most important things for restoring dolls that everybody should have at home. I hope you like my little video. Stay tuned in. Subscribe, like, share and comment if you want. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!